Good day, students. Topic we are considering today is simple AC circuits. You can see an alternating current AC is one that varies sinusoidally or periodically in such a way as to reverse its direction periodically. That's why I see that the current that is moving in our AC circuit moves sinusoidally. AC current. Sinusoidally means moves in the reverse order, and it's trying to reverse in the other way back. That's what we are expressing in our normal electronics gadgets. The current that's flowing in the wires. These are the cases we're experiencing sinusoidal motion of the current. Now let's see I standing for the instantaneous current. Instantaneous current. While I naught stand for peak current. Please let's take note. This formula is very important. In JAM, they can ask you, or in any exam, that's what does I stand for? Instantaneous current. I naught peak current. This is WT. If you remember, W equals to theta over T plus multiply equals to WT. You just replace the theta with WT. And W, angular speed, equals to 2 pi F. Put it back, you have that. That's peak currents or amplitude amplitude of the current. Amplitude of the current, peak current or amplitude of the current, amplitude of the current. And we have alternating voltage, V equals, instead of writing I, make it V naught sine 2 pi Ft. It's an important formula, and if you have that, the I root mean square equals I naught over square root 2. And theta equals to WT, take note, as phase angle, called phase angle. Theta, you have to look for the phase angle. Since you know that, in Ohm's law, you have V equals to IR. Now your I equals to V over R. What's our V? Alternating voltage, which is V naught sine omega T over R. From there, and now get V naught over R is I naught sine omega T. Now you have I root mean square equals V root mean square over R. I root mean square equals to V root mean square over R. Now you have I root mean square equals I naught over root 2. It's an important formula. I root mean equals to I peak current over root 2. I root mean equals to V root mean square over resistance. Now we have another formula, XC equals 1 over 2 pi Fc. We call this one capacitive reactance. But this F is the frequency, C is capacitance, and capacitor. You can also look for the capacitive reactance. Take note, that formula is very important. And also we have another one, V equals to, we have V equals to IR. V equals to IR. Now when you are dealing with capacitance, you can say V equals to IXC. Instead of saying this capacity, the unit of capacitive reactance is ohms, the unit of resistance is ohms. But this one is dealing with capacitive reactance. Now let's see a question to solve under this. We are dealing with capacitor. What is the function of a capacitor? Capacitors opposes the flow of current. And capacitive reactance is used to denote the opposition. Capacitive reactance, which is Xc equals to 1 over 2 pi Sc. Capacitor opposes the flow of current. This opposition to the flow of AC offered by the capacitor is known as capacitive reactance. And let's see some formulas that let's write the parameters out. 2 microfarad capacitor, 2 microfarad, micro stand for 10 to the power minus 6, 2 times 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Convert it to standard. V equals 115 volts root mean square. Frequency 60 Hertz. Find the root mean square value of the current, I root mean square, question mark, and the peak current, I naught. And from here, what are the formula to use? From here, since you know we are looking for current, I root mean square, we have to look for Xc first. Xc, because the formula we are going to use is I root mean square equals to V root mean square over Xc. How do you know that? You know from the standard formula, V equals to IR. This is resistance, and the unit of resistance is ohms. Unit is ohm. Unit of resistance is ohms. Now, and this capacitive reactance is also in ohms, and you are looking for I root mean square. Root mean square of the current, I root mean square. From here, you just change it to V root mean square equals I root mean square. Instead of putting resistance, put Xc because we are dealing with capacitance. Xc. Now from there, you have to look for the Xc. Now Xc equals 1 over 2 pi Fc. Xc now is 1 over 2 times 3.142. What's our frequency? 60. What's our capacitance? 2 times 10 to the power 6. When you press your calculator, you have Xc to be 1324.4 ohms. Don't forget the unit of capacitive reactance ohms. Now you now go back to the formula, which is it from here. Relate this Ohm's law to this V equals IRS Xc. It's still the same thing, but what we only put the capacitive reactance, which offer the opposition to the flow of AC current. Now you now have I root mean square equals V root mean square, which is 150 divided by 1324.4. From there, press your calculator, your 0.113 ampere. That is the value for I root mean square. The next question that they ask is the peak value of the current. And don't forget that I root mean square equals peak current over root 2. We cross multiply, we have I naught equals root 2 I root mean square. Don't forget we have gotten I root mean square equals root 2 multiply by I root mean square 0.113. You press your calculator, you have 0.160 ampere. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel to get some videos that is on the channel. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.